hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to be starting on a new stitch which I've not done before, which I'm quite excited about. So we're going to be doing the spider's web and we're going to be focusing on the large leaves. So I'm going to focus on this large leaf today just because we're near where we've done some of the other work. And it's going to be these dots here which we're going to turn into spider's webs, which Phillip had described in our instruction booklet as a fun stitch which creates a starry effect. And I'll show you on the picture on the back. It's these green stars we're going to be creating today with the spider's web stitch. So I'm really excited to start this. So let's get started. So we are going to we'll start here. Go up and down, and I'm making sure that I go past the blue line, so I know that blue dot lines, so I know that they're going to be covered. And we're going to come up to the side. Hello Bella. Bella's come to see what we're doing. Hello. And then we're going to go down that side, so then we've got the cross. And then I'm just going to check. Then we're going to come up in this corner here. I'm not quite sure. I think we're meant to be going at equal distances. I may have not done it at equal distances. Across like that. And then we're going to come here. And across. So when I've done a new stitch, just so I can get an idea of how I've done, I like to look and just check how I could make it better. So I don't think I've got maybe enough of a star, just because I've not done it at like an equal spot around the circle. So on Phillip's, they start at the same spot on the circle, and I've not done that. I don't think I've got that quite right. So we'll try it again on the next one and see if I can get it a little bit neater. So the next one's going to be this one. So we're going to start over the top there, and then maybe there, be right. That. And then we want to get in the middle of those two spots, so there. I really like this stitch. It's really fun to do. I think I could still definitely get more of a star look, but I'm sure as I go further on doing this stitch, I will get it a little bit neater. So we'll carry on and see how we find it. We'll just let Bella sit down. So I've definitely got more of a star on this one. I actually took it quite a bit wider. I don't know if that was the right thing to do or not, but I'm happy with how it looks for sure. And then we're gonna go this one. I get into a nice rhythm doing this one. I think my linen could maybe be a bit tighter, which I will try and sort out, just because it looks like it's moving maybe a tad too much there. And then this side, isn't it? Like that. I'll do this one. And this side. You're a bit of a wriggler today, Bella. Go to this one. Maybe went slightly too big with this one. I may have got carried away there with my size. But it all adds to the effect of it. It's what makes it unique when we all do them slightly differently, but the same at the same time. So there you go. So me and Bella are settled in with stitching now, so I'm going to finish off doing the spider's web on this leaf and on the other leaves on the design, and I will be checking back in with you tomorrow, showing you how I've got on, and we'll be moving on to finishing off the leaf using the cross stitch. So I will see you tomorrow.